Hi there, and welcome to this video on learning the letter W. So it's easy as that. I did mention in the previous video you need to learn the letter U so that you can write W properly, and when you learn W, you can learn the letter V. So this is how it goes. So let's practice the letter W. So angular and retrace it to the baseline, and again you need to move up, make a tiny loop, and that's it. So that's how you write the letter W. And first let me list out the things that you must keep in mind. First one, it's the angle, and then slanting back, move up, maintain the distance between the first line and the second line, and then retrace it. Again, make sure you maintain the same width as of the first one. This is going to be the second one. Okay, and bring it up. Make a loop here. So make a loop where you can hardly see any gap inside. Okay, do not form a loop like this. Okay, so that's going to grab unwanted attention. So you need to avoid that. So let's practice the letter W again. Angular but not sharp. Move it back towards the left. Bring it up. Make sure it's parallel. And while doing the next one, you need to retrace it. Maintain the same width. Bring it up. Make a loop. And that's how you write the letter W. So we did practice this for the letter O, the loop on top. It's the same thing, just a loop. So when I just do it big, this is how it looks, but you need to make it tiny. Okay, so this is something extremely important where you need to practice it again and again, because few more letters will use this pattern. Okay, so let's write W continuously. Okay, so you might have some questions. What if we write the letter W and A? So like W and H. So you asked me to start H from the baseline, whereas W ends up here. And again, A starts from the baseline and W ends up in the air. How will you connect this? So let me just show you. So let me just explain the other letter O along with this. Okay, so we have few letters that has this loop. That is the letter O, V, W, and what else? The letter B. Okay, so let's start with W, water. So when you write water, you make a loop here and continue it. So we start A like this. Instead, you're going to stop from here. You're going to start from here, up, and retrace it back. So you're going to have a curve halfway. Okay, W, A. I hope you got it. And if you want to write W, E, so this is how W, E. All you need to do is just this connecting stroke, you need to bring it a little bit down to the center of the middle zone, and that's how you write the letter E. So the same goes with W, O. So W and O. And when you want to write B, just connect it from halfway. And when you want to write H, I hope you got it. That's all. Okay, so whenever you have a letter that ends midway of the middle zone, you just need to connect it from wherever it is. But there is an exception. There is one letter that's going to be a little bit tricky, and we'll be learning about it in the video where I'll be teaching you all about that one alphabet. That's going to completely mess up a little bit of your handwriting. Oh, we also forgot about this letter F. Even that ends midway. Okay, so F O, or I'm used to writing O like that, but I would tell you to go with this form of O. Okay, so that's all about the letter W. So let's practice it again one more time. The letter W, that's how it is. I'm not going to ask you to connect W's together. It's absolutely useless. Okay, that's the letter W. Okay then, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.